We then estimate their rental if they need to rent, and then we calculate the total cost. And then from there, we try to ascertain what is a suitable choice for them. And for this particular scenario, because of the particular requirements of this client, we actually recommended them to go for an inter-terrace of this quantum. And that's actually based on their requirement. And we actually recommend them to rebuild on their own, because at that particular point in time, in the year 2021, it was better to go for a rebuild of their own, because the disparity towards the brand new is actually pretty far apart. So it actually makes more savings from the buyer's potential point of view in order to rebuild on their own to save more cost. Now, the second factor under the IPA model in our mode analysis is disparity effect based on the types of landed home.